Hi, it's Neil at Toolstock TV here, and I'm with John Stark from Makita Power Tools. Here we've got the Makita BHR241RFE. It's a rotary hammer SDS Plus drill. It's an 18 volt cordless, part of the LXT range, but John's going to tell us a lot more about it.
Cheers Neil, thank you. This machine has three features. We have a rotary only action, we have a rotary hammer action, and we have a chisel action only. If the chisel's in place, by switching the knob to the circle part, we can adjust the angle of the chisel when it's in use. It has forward reverse action working off the trigger here, and as Neil said, it's SDS Plus, so it's a fairly straightforward pull back the chuck, release the drill bit, and then straight back in again, and it locks in place. So we'll drill some holes and let you see the machine in action.
Before we do that, John, tell us a wee bit about the size of holes this is going to drill for us.
In concrete, the maximum we'll do on an SDS Plus bit will be 20mm. In steel it's 13mm, and in wood it's 28mm.
Okay, so let's fire this into some concrete.